Hi, it's Nancy from Nance.plants, and welcome back to my channel. In the last couple of months, I've been diving into leather binders after getting inspired by all the plotter binders I was seeing on social media. I didn't particularly like the leather options in the plotter and the lack of structure it provided, so I looked for some other options. After searching far and wide for slim binders, here are a few of the options I found. The first thing I did was actually try to DIY a slim leather binder. Since I love the Traveler's Company Traveler's Notebook aesthetic, and I love the leather from their covers, I tried to convert one into a binder. This was my first attempt to add rings to a camel passport binder. I had immense trouble trying to find slim rings to DIY with. This was the smallest ring I could find, which is the 6-ring A7 19mm rings from Moterm. They cost 2 for $8.50. While I liked the look of the binder was too thick, and I didn't like the bulkiness of it. I'm still hunting for standalone ring mechanisms to convert and build my own binders, so if anyone has a lead on slim-fitting ring binder clasps, please let me know. The first binder I bought was a leather mini 6 binder from RayMay Fujii on the Amazon Japanese site. I really like this binder, and this is the Just Fit model. It's super compact and doesn't have any extra hangover on the covers, which leaves a bit of the paper sticking out. One thing that really bothered me on this binder was the position of the pen loop. It was super awkward and it got in the way of how the paper insert sat and also closing the binder itself. So I did some surgery to detach the pen loop and added it back to a plastic divider insert. I now use this divider insert with a pen loop as both a surface to write on and a place to hold my pen. Another positive for this binder is that it also uses Krause rings, which are high-quality 6-ring binder closures. The binder is currently sold at 5,855 yen, which is about $38. I love that this binder is low cost for a leather binder. It's also structured and has pockets. A few of the cons is that the quality of the leather is a bit low, and at first it didn't seem like real leather, but I will say that the quality of the leather has seemed to improve over time. Another con is the poor pen loop placement, which made the binder originally unusable, but this is ultimately fixable. After using the Mini 6 RayMay Fujii, I decided to get a Bible-sized binder to trial for my day-to-day journaling. I ended up getting the Filofax Lockwood Slim because of the natural leather look and its slim profile. The pros on this binder is that it's stiffer and the cover is therefore more protective of the pages inside. It also has card pockets. However, because of the stiffer cover, it makes it difficult to lay flat. It has this bump on the back, which is kind of annoying sometimes when I'm using it. Another con is that the leather is heavily treated and waxy, and therefore it doesn't feel as luxurious as some of the other leather covers that I own. After these two binders, I decided to purchase a plotter dupe from the Etsy store called WuZhi Studio. I first bought the Mini 6 or A7 chestnut size, and later added a Bible-sized natural leather binder. Both of these binders are great quality, and I love supporting small makers. These options are not much cheaper than plotter, but I like the sleek look of them and the leather options. This is the Chestnut A7, which translates to a Mini 6 binder. I got this for $93.41 total inclusive of shipping. And this is the Natural Leather A6 binder, which translates to the personal or Bible-sized binder. The total cost of this, inclusive of shipping, was $97.75. I asked the maker to please include a scrap of leather in their packages, and they did. And I used these to make matching pen loops. I love that these binders lay flat completely, and they have beautiful leather and color options. I also love that this is from a small store and customizations are available. On the cons, these covers have no pockets and they're less structured. The trade-off of having the ability to completely lay flat is that these binders don't close well. I'm worried that they may need bands to keep the covers closed when I'm carrying them in bags. Overall, I'm super happy with these options. When I went to Japan last month, I decided against buying a plotter because I'm truly happy with the options that I have right now. But I did purchase several plotter inserts to use with my binders, and I hope to share my Japanese stationery haul soon. Thanks so much for watching.